In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a smooth animation when you hover a button Webflow tutorial. We're going to set up a smooth, polished hover effect for a button in Webflow by using the interactions panel and connecting a pre-built animation to a mouse hover trigger. This approach keeps your design consistent and your site feeling responsive without adding custom code. First, open your project in the Webflow designer so you're on the canvas where your button lives. Once you're in the designer, look to the right-hand side and open the interactions panel. This is where you connect user triggers like hover or click to animations you've already created or plan to reuse across elements. Now select the button you want to animate on the canvas. In this walkthrough, the element is named highlight, so click that element to make sure it's selected. You should see its name reflected in the selection breadcrumb at the top of the canvas and in the interactions panel. If your project uses a different name, that's fine. Just be sure the correct button is highlighted in both places so the interaction attaches to the right element. With the element selected, you'll add the trigger. In the interactions panel, choose the mouse hover trigger. This tells Webflow to listen for when the user's pointer enters or leaves the button area, which is perfect for subtle, smooth feedback that feels instant but not abrupt. Next, open the control that says Select an Action. This lets you decide what should happen when the hover event fires. Choose Start an animation. This option connects the trigger to a specific timeline from your interactions library, giving you consistent motion and timing every time the button is hovered. From the list that appears, pick the animation named Highlight. Selecting this ties the button's hover state to that predefined animation. If your animation list is longer, use the search field or scroll to find it. If you don't see it, make sure the animation exists in your interactions library and is saved under that name. Once selected, your hover trigger will now start the highlight animation when users move their cursor over the button, and it will return to its normal state when the cursor leaves. Because the animation is pre-configured, it should already include easing and duration values that make the motion feel smooth, not jumpy. That's it. By selecting your element, opening interactions, choosing mouse hover, starting an animation, and assigning the highlight timeline, you've created a clean, smooth hover effect that's easy to maintain and reuse across your site.